Guys, I want to show you how to fix some of these dog pee spots. Now, we had these because we had the big winter and that snowcrete, and our dogs had a limited area to pee in, so they kind of reused some of these spots, and that killed the grass. So what you're going to need is a rake, some topsoil, and I'll show you what else you need. But this is just a little rake, perfect size for this, and you're just going to kind of come and get all this dead grass out. And feel free to kind of dig up some of the dirt as well. You'll probably need to, and you probably need to hand pull some of this because the rake might not get it all. So that's kind of the pile here. We're going to discard that. We're not going to use it back as topsoil or as dressing because it is kind of damaged and don't want it to get in there. So what we're going to use is we just have some Scott's topsoil. Doesn't matter what brand you use, but this is what we're going to lay down first, kind of as a barrier because that soil might be a little damaged just from the pH and nitrogen that the dog has laid down. So a lot of times actually female dogs will cause these spots more than male dogs because they crouch and all that pee is in one little spot. And it's not necessarily the pH, it's more the nitrogen and salt that damages the grass. So now we've got some grass seed. This is the Turf Builder grass seed. It's the Landscapers Mix. This is what it looks like. I've got maybe 1/4 of an inch or a 1/2 inch down of the actual topsoil just to kind of create that barrier and something for the seed to sink into. I'm just going to hand spread these seeds, and feel free to kind of overseed around the area around it just in case, doesn't hurt to have a little more grass seed there. I'm going to kind of mix this up just lightly with my hand to kind of help the grass seed go into the topsoil a little bit, just so it's not sitting all on the top. Next, we have this Scott's Turf Builder Starter Fertilizer. This is for new grass, and I really like this. I've used it on a few other spots. This is a previous spot that I worked on, and you can see the grass starting to come up. So definitely works, but we had this area cordoned off here, and we had that snow, which basically turned into snowcrete for a month. And I was like, well, it'll melt soon, but we had that for a month and the dogs were peeing in the same area. So we're just having to repair that. I probably should have done it sooner. But we're going to take that starter fertilizer and just kind of spread it out like this. You can use a spreader, but it's such a small area that I didn't need to do that. Now, what I like to do is actually take a little bit of topsoil, just because we have pets and I don't want them messing with this. It's also going to help kind of shade as like a dressing the seeds a little bit. I don't want to cover them fully, but I just want to pat it down so it's just sprinkled on there so you can still barely see some of the seeds. Now this is perfect here. We're going to want to water that and repeat on the other spots. So I have been watering about once a day, and that seemed to have been enough, especially if it's just spring. If it's summer and you're trying to do this, you're going to have a little bit more of a problem. Now this is another spot. This one's growing a little bit better that I've done this on. It's actually an oval here. You can see the oval area with the darker topsoil, and the grass is coming in pretty nicely. Give it another week or so, and it'll probably be coming in. And it'll be hard to see the difference between the grass and the new area here. So now if you do have a severe area, let's say it's larger, where you have dog urine, you can use a barrier of like agricultural lime. That's going to kind of help balance the pH. But a lot of times if you just do some thick topsoil, that's going to provide where the actual seed can, start growing and go into. I am going to link some of these products I'm using in the video or down below, so go ahead and check those out. And I hope this video helped you guys out, and let me know in the comments.